Hey, what's up, AJT fam? I hope you guys had a great day today. It was, man, I tell you, this was a crazy day. But for me, it was more self-inflicted. It was a crazy day in the market in terms of its movement. But I'm the one that created the bad day for me. All because I'm trying to fight this bull and short it, and the market's just not there for the type moves that I'm looking for. Okay, that's just the way it is. Okay, some of us are too scared to take that fight. Now, yeah, it hurt me today, but if I didn't have that fight in me, I would not be able to trade the way I trade. I would not be able to achieve the level of success, that I achieve. Because if you're scared to fight, that means you fear achieving success. It's that you have a fear of failure. You don't want to try. You're scared to try to get in the game because you're scared you're going to lose. You're scared you might get hurt. And that brings a whole new level to trading. So you got to stop letting fear control you in trading. There are a lot of strategies, and we do cover those in the trader mindset. We do cover those. But we teach you how to overcome this fear and indecision and to actually move forward and achieve some success. Let's take a look at our trades from today. I got in a fight, and I was fighting a little bit too hard. But let's look at NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA was the first trade I got in, and everything started out great. This is my entry. This is sometimes they just double up, or the whole order doesn't fill. They'll fill it between two orders or something. I mean, even though I have mine set at all or nothing, it will spread it out between two or three orders sometimes. But we get in, we get the first target, it does run up, doesn't quite make the second target, and it pulls back. Now, what this did was this upset me. I didn't really know it. I came in, I had a pretty rough weekend, so I had to deal with that, and I probably had some residual from it. Wasn't really in the mood to do much, and so I got in again. It went up, and then it came back down, and so because we didn't make a higher high, I'm like, fuck it, or excuse my language, forget it, I'm gonna short it. And so I flipped it short and was looking for it to just sell off, even though I know even though I know it's not a good thing. It's not smart to do. I just subconsciously did it. And that was the first mistake. And I realized this was just a bad thing. So once we made a new high here, even though I could look at this and tell, look, this is bullish, you need to get out of it, I was being stubborn. And I didn't want to take it off, but once it broke the high, I went ahead and did what I needed to do. And guess what? I flipped it long, and I flipped it again. And that's when I realized, hey, I need to take a break. I need to walk away and try to get myself back in order. But you can see here, I bought it. We got a couple of profit targets. This thing shot all the way back, stopped me out at break even, and then bounced again. This happens. Okay, but thankfully I was in a better place to be able to deal with this. And you could see, once we came back and took out this high again, I got back in it and got profit here and took it off. And then for some strange reason, I thought I was going to reverse it, so I shorted it again. And I was just for some reason, I was so hell bent on shorting and getting my shorts in, because I'm a bear. I like to short. Stop. I'm sorry, my cat's digging their claws in me. So I shorted, ended up having to stop out again, and went long, because if you sit back and look at this is a long chart. 570 is what we were looking for. Based on the option flow, there was an opportunity that we were going to get 570 today. That's what I was looking for. But I think 568 or so is the most we got. And I ended up getting out of it and then shorting it again. Reversing it, looking for the reversal. And got profit here, got profit here. Should have taken some profit here, but I was really looking for it to retest this and fail and just keep coming. But it didn't lose the VWAP, so I ended up stopping out here on a profit stop. And you can see we pretty much been trading sideways. Hadn't really done much. But okay. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know if I made it back or not. Don't have a clue. But we'll see. So CRWD was another trade I took. This one was good. I'm actually still in this one. I was looking at this for potentially an all-day hold, get up to 290. This thing ran up faster than I anticipated, so I took some profit here at 287, and it pulled all the way back, got out at break even. It held to 20, so I decided to buy it. Okay, the mistake I made here was I should not have I should have waited. This is not enough room for me to be comfortable and take profit here. I should have waited. I was trying to rush things. I got in. This is a mistake entering, but I'm holding through because I do believe we're going to see 290 on this. I do believe we're going to see it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Thursday, I don't know. I do believe it, but again, if we do lose the 5-day, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. But I do think we can get it. So I locked in some profit on this pretty decent move. Here I'm just kind of waiting to see what it's going to do for the rest of the day. Tesla just fooled the hell out of me. I mean, look, here we've got the 5-minute opening range low. Now it did dip below it, and I did click the button when we dipped below this, but it got bought back up, so it failed up here, and this thing just kept going. It just kept going. So I had to bail out of this. There's nothing I did wrong on this. This just fooled the hell out of me. It happens sometimes. Nothing you can do about it. It just happens. And the other trade I took was Microsoft. Tried to get it short when I thought the market was going to sell. Stop. when I thought the market was gonna sell. Right here, when we went red on the day, I thought we were gonna start selling after lunch. It didn't. It caught itself. Once we claimed the 9, I had to get out. Even though we were caught up in this, I wasn't gonna hold it. This thing just could have kept going. So had to take that off. But let's see, because I've already been asked how I finished the day. I'm not trading anymore. We don't have any more trades setting up. I'm not looking to trade anymore. Stop. So let me take a snapshot of this. Oops. This is not working right. All right, so this is what we're looking at today. I didn't end the day red. Okay, Tesla. Stop. Sorry, guys. Tesla. You know, we had the $700 loss here. Really, I was giving it $3, so it didn't even hit my max loss before it bounced me out. Microsoft. This is the trade on Microsoft, but you can see NVIDIA, after the big hit, we still ended up green NVIDIA, and I do have some profit in CRWD. The only reason it's not showing here is because I have an open order. But we locked in. This is what we're locking in today, 338.36. This could have been a $2,500 day if it wasn't for the mess up on NVIDIA. So, you know, I could have quit. I could have walked away this morning and maybe ended up with a $2,000 loss. But I got my head screwed on straight, and I came in and I did what I was supposed to do. And you know, that's where we're at. So not a good day today, but still finished green, and we will be back tomorrow and, you know, put the market on notice. So I should have a video coming out tonight with our supplemental scan to look for tomorrow. So you guys look for that, and I will catch you guys in the morning.